All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the higher end winner's choice number 2. So we'll check the time, October 26th at 2:32 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have October 26th at, where do we go, 2:32 p.m. There is the list of our 80 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John. Spot 38 is your winner. So, John, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, October 26th, 2:33 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.